Trust. I miss you so much, I can't even fake it. I wanna take the memories and fucking erase it, but I can't. This shit is so strong. Cause I thought our love was a real tight bond, but we got fucked up in the past. Let too many motherfuckers in our biz, and that shit is bad. And I'm fucking mad because it was me and you, and nobody else should have mattered, and that is that. But you listen to her, I'm listening to he. But at the end of the day, it shouldn't have been nobody but we. But we not even talking right now, and I wish I could tell you my thoughts and how I feel right now, because I don't give a fuck about the things we said. I miss you in my life and in my fucking bed. So what's good, babe? Let's get it right. Let's get it back. Let's get back to this money, boy. How you gon' act? Cause Lady J don't wanna be without VI. I'ma post this shit to know that I'm gon' ride or die. Let the world know you my fucking nigga, and I don't give a fuck about them bitches who tryna get with ya, because I was number one all day and every day. I forgot that and forgot the path that we was trying to play. I forgot what we had talked about, because I was losing fucking sight and I'm losing my thoughts right now. But I'm getting back because you was mine and always forever, man. It's some real shit that I'm saying right now. Ain't no words freestyling about how I love this man. I forgot the plans. Damn, I'm fucked up right now, but hey, I need you to come back right now. I need you to come back right now, because I'm tired of playing games. I need you in my life to stay. You know that you and me were good. We was gon' get this paper and get up out the hood. Get grandma and your family straight. Get this paper, babe. Stay up out the way. All these haters clocking us. Oh, I gotta stop.